Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We're trying to find the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere at the elevation of 12,000 meters, where Z is equal to kilometers. They give us the temperature for atmosphere, which is 288.15 minus 6.5 multiplied by Z, the elevation. Step 1, draw your free body diagram. This will help you visualize your problem. So draw your FBD. So we've got Earth, we want to find the average temperature. Step 2, list all the given values. So they give us the elevation of 12,000 meters. We're trying to find the temperature for the atmosphere. They give us the formula, so it is TATM is equal to 288.15 minus 6.5 multiplied by Z. In this case, they give us Z, which is 12,000 meters. We're going to have to convert that to kilometers. Step 4, find the Earth temperature. So we just plug in our elevation, make sure we convert it to kilometers by dividing by 1,000. So 288.15 minus 78, that 78 is 6.5 multiplied by 12. So that'll give you 210.15 Kelvin. And if you want it in degrees Celsius, you need to minus 273, which will give us negative 62.85 degrees Celsius. You can round this to minus 63 degrees Celsius if you want it to be a whole number. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. You can click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, type in Windows search and then your snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can type in your Mac equivalent of snipping tool, so use the Mac equivalent. Once you have snipping tool open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen, and then hit the start button in the snipping tool. Wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions, comments, or you found a mistake, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, see ya.